Hello, this is Dr. Priya Kumar here. Now I am with some girls of IMS Almaty, Kazakhstan from special Madhya Pradesh, MP. So I would like to ask your name and from where in MP you are. You are from?
I am from Sihor. My name is Astha Jat.
I am Arpana. I am from Dhar, Madhya Pradesh.
I am Kritika. I am from Devas, Madhya Pradesh.
I'm Lakshi and I'm from Itarsi, Madhya Pradesh.
So these all girls are from first year and first semester. So I would like to have some question answer session with you. This is not that much type of difficult question answer, but I would like to share your memories and your experience when you come here and now how you are feeling over here. So आपको यहाँ आके कैसा लगा? आप थोड़ा अपना मेमोरी शेयर करें.
तो हम लोग अभी 14 मई को हम यहाँ पर आए और जैसे सब बच्चे बोलते हैं कि बहुत अलग इन्वायरमेंट है यहाँ पर, बट हमें बिल्कुल नहीं लगा. यहाँ के टीचर्स और सीनियर्स इतने अच्छे हैं कि हम लोगों को एकदम इंडिया वाला माहौल मिला. तो हमें बिल्कुल भी प्रॉब्लम इतनी नहीं हुई जितनी दूसरे बच्चों को होती है. जैसा
तो आपको ऐसा कभी लगा कि इंडिया में पढ़ना ज़्यादा बेटर था बट आईएमएस में आके, या अब्रॉड में जैसे लोग मोस्टली बोलते हैं कि अब्रॉड में पढ़ाई नहीं होती है, पढ़ाई सिस्टम अच्छी नहीं होती है, आप ड्रॉप आउट करते रहो, बट आप इंडिया में ही एडमिशन ले लो, अब्रॉड जाना सही डिसीजन नहीं है. तो आपका इस मैटर पे क्या सोचना है?
No, it's worth it, and the education system is very good here. It's just like India. The Indian books, we prefer Indian books, and like BD Chaurase and all the topics are all same. And here, every teacher, every faculty is Indian, and it's as same as Indian education. And I think I would prefer to study in Kazakhstan rather than India.
Kazakhstan, there are lots of universities.
Almaty, IMS, CIB.
Okay, as you can see also in the library also you all are guys having only the Indian writer books.
Yes, ma'am.
So these books you follow, or there are some other books also, or you follow?
We have bought some book from India, and we follow this also when we need it. Like astrology, we have not taken, so we sometimes read it.
So this is very beautiful thing that this is the college which is totally following the NMC syllabus according to the India, so that our students can prepare for the next exam from the beginning. And this is the first step to keep the books in the library itself for the students with Indian authors. So आपको कैसा ये college लग रहा है? एक Indian environment, you are feeling an environment of India or just homesickness?
No मैम, एक्चुअली ये प्लस पॉइंट है कि यहाँ पे सभी इंडियन है, तो हमें लगता ही नहीं कि हम इंडिया के बाहर आए हैं, क्योंकि हमें खाना भी इंडियन है, टीचर्स भी इंडियन है, स्टूडेंट्स भी इंडियन है. पूरी बिल्डिंग में सिर्फ इंडियन स्टूडेंट. हमारे सीनियर्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, हमें बहुत हेल्प करते हैं, तो हमें ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि हम इंडिया से बाहर हैं.
So let me tell you one thing. There are two campus of IMS Almaty. The main campus UIB IMS, which you have heard about, that is the university where you guys goes for lecture, and this is the campus where we are sitting over here. And this campus is fully for the Indian students, where the Indian students, medical students, like being taught by the Indian faculties only, especially for giving them the Indian environment. Yes. So what about the food facilities and the hostel facilities which you are getting?
The hostel facility is very good. There are all Indian students there, and we get the food, all Indian foods, and the cook is also Indian, our cook, and it's quite good, just like home. And
Do you get rice, chapati, dal,
Yes,
or
yes.
just local food?
No. We get Indian food like dal, sabzi, roti, and sometimes salad. So it's good, ma'am.
Rajma,
ma'am.
curry,
Totally Indian curry.
It
Yeah.
seems
And
that
it's
they are
delicious.
enjoying the Indian food.
Yes,
yes,
Tasty Indian food.
Tasty Indian
So
food.
you get vegetarian or non-veg also?
Both. We get both.
Like
Both
both
options
options
are
are
there.
there.
for vegetarian plus non-vegetarian.
अगर नॉन-वेज बनता है तो हम वेजिटेरियन के लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सब्जी बन जाती है, तो ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं
मतलब
है.
ऐसा कोई दिन नहीं होता कि कोई भूखा सो रहा हो.
Yeah.
सब लोगों को अच्छा खाना मिलता है.
Okay, so the girls are telling that they are really enjoying the Indian food being provided here, and the food is totally according to the Indian taste,
Yes,
even though being prepared by the Indian chef.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So the Indian non-veg as well as vegetarian,
Vegetarian.
both type of foods are being provided. And what about the hostel? I think girls and boys hostel totally separate.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Totally separate.
What about the security and safety?
there is warden down, and whenever we go out and come in, she checks there, she writes there, and we are means security is very nice. I think this is
So
cameras.
warden is there, like
Cameras are there.
Cameras
Cameras
are there in every corridor, and they just we just give a name when to come. There is proper timing to
Yes.
get
एक्चुअली
entry.
हम ऐसा है ना कि हम 9 o'clock के बाहर हम जाते भी नहीं उसके बाद, तो ऐसा प्रॉपर है कि एक हमारी लीडर भी है, हमें एक कॉरिडोर में
Guidance
लीडर
मिलता
भी
है।
दी है ताकि वो हमें गाइड कर पाए कब जाना है कब नहीं जाना है, उन्हें बता के जाओ, तो पूरी सिक्योरिटी एंड बहुत सेफ है।
इवन किचन है, अगर
हाँ।
आपको सेल्फ फूड
हाँ,
बनाना है तो
self-
किचन
kitchen
फैसिलिटी
है।
भी है।
अवन है वहाँ पे।
Washing.
Washing
Clothes
machine
wash
है।
करने के
one
लिए
by
washing
one. What about the kitchen and other system?
यस मैम, किचन हमें एक सेपरेट किचन दिया गया है कॉमन गर्ल्स के लिए, ताकि अगर किसी को भूख लग रही है रात में या एग्ज़ाम टाइम में कॉफ़ी बनाना होता है तो आप सब वहाँ पर जाके बना सकते हैं। हमें मतलब ऐसा मतलब नीचे मेस के लिए चिंता नहीं करनी पड़ती, इसलिए हमें अच्छा लगता है वहाँ पर
So
kitchen
I think like as you are telling, there are separate kitchen
Separate
systems.
kitchen
Is there for the girls who want to prepare something extra dishes, they can go and prepare there.
Yes,
And what is the sitting capacity in the room wise? Attached washroom or
Attached,
not, or common washroom?
No, that are attached washrooms.
For 6 people, we
Six
have
people,
one
common
washroom.
and there in each room there are either 4 girls or 2 girls. It depends on the girls what they want.
So what about the rooms? Is that like big enough or
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
quite
Yes,
big,
it's quite
quite
big.
big.
Very
Proper
spacious.
So
ventilation.
spacious.
There's
one by one?
proper ventilation is there, quite big corridor, and almiras are there, and proper furniture is there to study and everything.
So you are enjoying the rooms in the
Yes,
hostels
ma'am.
you are
Yes,
being
ma'am.
provided?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
And location of the hostel, as I have already visited, it's very green.
Yes,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
green.
So outside
And there
the
is very peace
like
also.
very peaceful, and if you just seek out the window also, like sneak out there, then it is very like greenery.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What about the people over here in Kazakhstan?
ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन तो नहीं हुआ, बट जितना हुआ है वो बहुत हम्बल है, आगे रह के नमस्ते बोलते हैं मैम, उन्हें हमारी
फ्रेंडली
language
है,
आती है,
बहुत फ्रेंडली है.
बहुत फ्रेंडली है।
और
बहुत
वो
हेल्पफुल भी है।
मार्केट में जाते हैं तो वो लोग आगे से नमस्ते बोलते हैं, तो इट फील्स वेरी गुड दैट हमको कोई आगे से नमस्ते
नमस्ते
बोल
बोल
रहा
रहा
है.
Okay. So ultimately you all are happy by choosing IMS.
Yes,
Of
ma'am.
course,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Definitely.
So how you will recommend the other Indian students who are just waiting for getting the seat in India? As you all know that the next exam already has been implemented for all Indian as well as foreign graduates. तो आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट एग्जाम का यहाँ पे कैसा फीलिंग रहता है? ओरिएंटेशन है नहीं
हाँ
है?
है मैम, ओरिएंटेशन तो है.
कोचिंग
बहुत अच्छा
प्रोवाइड
है.
की जा रही है, टीचर से प्रॉपर ओरिएंटेशन मिल रहा है हमें, कोचिंग्स भी हैं एफएमजी की, सो इट्स क्वाइट गुड.
और बोला जाता है जैसे कि आपको फॉरेन कॉलेजेस में कैडेवर नहीं मिलता, पर हम लोग के टीचर्स ने काफ़ी यहाँ पे बात की है ताकि हम स्टूडेंट्स को कैडेवर भी मिले, हमें क्लिनिकल एक्सपीरियंस मिले।
And as there that how many hospitals you are having under this university?
12 हॉस्पिटल्स
प्लस 50 टाइप से इसके,
Yes.
तो काफ़ी अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा क्लिनिकल नॉलेज मिलेगा।
प्रैक्टिकल्स
Yes.
सब बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है हमारा.
इसलिए अगर आपका इंडिया में नहीं हो रहा है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आप यहाँ नहीं आ सकते, यहाँ पे भी इंडिया जैसे
IMS
ही
is
पढ़ाई
just waiting for you.
सेकेंड ईयर के सेकेंड सेम से हम लोगों को हॉस्पिटल्स भी ले जाए जाएंगे, जहाँ पे हम लोगों को क्लिनिकल्स वगैरह करवाएंगे.
लेबोरेटरीज
So, finally you girls are happy by choosing
Yes,
IMS,
yes,
ma'am. Or still you are thinking कि it is not that good
No,
choice.
no,
as
no,
Indian.
no,
Totally
ma'am.
worth it, ma'am. Totally worth it.
So worth it.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Like India.
like
More
Like
better
India,
than
like
India,
India.
I think so.
How you
Forget.
correlate this IMS Almaty with Indian Medical College? कैसा
It's
feel?
totally same. I am in contact with my friends in India. The syllabus is same. We are just studying the same syllabus topics and just same, and even we are enjoying more than them.
Yes, we are exploring the different country.
Nature.
That's very much good for us.
So thank you so much for sharing your
Thank you, ma'am.
experience,
Thank you,
and my all best wishes for you are there always. Hope you do very good in your next exam, and for your upcoming years you do well study. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am.